Hey, working on a rooftop unit today. Looks like somebody, my guess is, didn't pay their bill on an HVAC guy, and HVAC guy got upset, came back and punctured the coil here. At least he did it in the bottom coil if that's the case. I ripped apart all this aluminum here, started taking the rooftop unit apart, all that kind of fun stuff. But not cool. This is actually hard copper, so I'm just going to patch it instead of replacing it and cutting it out there. It's not really easy to work with. If I replace this whole coil here, this thing would be like a $4,000 bill, which you might as well buy a new rooftop unit at that point. So we're going to weld this up here, see what we can do. Okay, now we welded this beautiful little makeshift fitting on here. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Is it focused or what? I can't really see. See a little bit something in there. Should hold pressure now. Yeah, I usually pump in the one side, let the other side crawl up. Looks good so far. This thing needs to be replaced. Hope it works. Well, I guess I should have showed you the pressures on that. It would have been the cool thing to do. But got it up and going. Long story short, she's operating about 35 degrees Fahrenheit, I would guess. Give or take a degree. Yeah, nasty ass repair. A lot cheaper than swapping out the whole unit or just the coil itself. This thing's gonna break down. Don't know when it's gonna happen. Peace out.